center stage. That's not a goal, but it is helping out their team by moving the ball forward. It looks like that was a goal for Blue Lions scoring autonomous. Team 973 shooting from the far zone. With another shot coming in teleoperating that's deflected. We've got Team 988 on the Red Lions trying to score over in the red scoring zone. This Team 1622 in the blue zone does score. We're now at 0-2 in favor of the Blue Lions. We have two blue robots on offense and one midfield. Looks like they're just trying to overpower Team 3011. They're the Robo Warriors. And that's another blue score, 32-30, pushing 3011 right into that goal with the ball. And it looks like Team 1780 may have a piece of their robot flying off. It looks like it's a drive belt on the left side of their robot. That may actually just be the coating of their wheel also, not the drive belt itself. Might have a little bit of trouble getting around now. And shot the blue line scoring zone out of the center by Team 973. We're at 1-3 in favor of the Blue Lions in the last 50 seconds of the match. Team 973 having a little bit of trouble getting into the blue offensive zone, but they came through fine now with their kicker and their extreme ball magnet, having no problems going right up the ramp and kicking for a score on the Blue Lions. And we're coming into the finale of this period. With a shot and miss on the blue scoring zone. Right up on that ramp in the last 5 seconds, looking for